smiling robot.
The bandits are still in the city. The thieves have committed 3 robberies. The police cannot trace them yet. There were 2 bandits. They asked for money and threatened me with a gun. I need to see the recording from the closed-circuit TV cameras. Unfortunately, the people from the service center came yesterday and took them for routine diagnostics. It's strange. Yeah, an unfortunate coincidence. I don't believe in coincidences. It crosses all bounds. If it continues the same, people will start to move from this city. We'll do our best, but it seems that the bandits are always one step ahead of us. The informant gave a tip. There will be a robbery in a car showroom tomorrow. We're going to ambush them. They will never escape again. Is there anyone suspicious? Everything is quiet now. Hello, I have a pizza for Major Gary, but I didn't order. Here's a note here. Bon appetit, Major. You probably became very hungry while you waited, but we are short on time, so we can't come today. See you soon. Stop the operation. They know that we're here. Good day, Major Gary. Not really. I was taking spare parts from the showroom when I met the officer. I have an idea. I noticed one strange pattern. A day before all the robberies, people from the service center came. They took the cameras or changed the alarm. Yes, a week ago they came to our station to check the computers. I think that they installed listening devices there and are listening to you. This could explain why they were always ahead of us. I'll come to you in a few hours with a special gadget to try to find the bugs there. That's it, but I installed a Faraday cage in your office, just in case. It won't let us down, will it? All conversations are safe now. The bugs, or listening devices, work as a radio. They send signals from the office to the bandits. This cage stops the signals and doesn't let them go out. so everything that was said in this building would be secret. Well done, Handy Andy. Now we need to find out who did all this.
Thank you so much for choosing our cartoons. We have many more for you to watch. Choose one now.